Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you're a gamer, this video is for you. So what I have here, this cushioned apparatus is by the company OGP, which stands for Original Gamers Platform. And I'm gonna do a little tutorial of what all this is, some size stuff, comfort, convenience, features. This is what you get. It might come in a couple different finishes. This just happens to be sort of a camo style finish, kind of definitely soft, cool looking. If you're into the camo, it has some pouches on it. So on the left side there's a pouch, the right side there's a pouch. There's a slit for a phone or whatever would fit into the slit. There's a section here that fits a remote, nice and neat, kind of nice and tucked in there like that. Little drink holder on the side here as well. And this is the overall design. It's ergonomically set up to wrap around the user just to kind of give some comfort, if you will, to like your forearms. It is padded. It's very padded, to be honest. Here's some size specs. The total front of this is right at about 23 inches. The foam that is in here from a thickness standpoint is about 6.5 inches. The inside, which, I mean, it can expand, so depending on the size of the user, it can kind of go way out. But the front part on the inside is at 12, and then without stretching, the back side on the inside is 16 inches, and the total width on the rear is about 29, but again, it can be stretched out. Has a lot of cushion for sure, so especially if you're sitting on a couch doing the gaming thing and need some nice cushion. It's definitely convenient. Kind of helps when gaming to kind of just chill, relax, and not have to keep your hands propped up or down low, and kind of keep them a little bit higher up from an ergonomic standpoint. And having some pockets and everything nice and neat. I mean, you're locked in, and there's a nice little. And if you're like taking it anywhere, there is a handle here on the top. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, tell us what you think about this. Give us an honest review. Hopefully that came across and all your questions were answered, and we'll talk to you